If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter internal error message, don't worry, this is usually a simple browser or connection issue. And in this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes you can try right now. These steps are fast, easy, and they often solve the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, try clearing your browser cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then choose the option to clear them. Once that's done, close your browser completely and open x.com again. This often fixes the internal error because old stored data can interfere with the site loading properly. If that doesn't work, try switching your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and sign in using your mobile's data instead. If you're already on mobile data, do the opposite and connect through Wi-Fi. Sometimes the issue is tied to your network, and switching connections gives X a fresh route to load correctly. After that, test the site again and see if the error is gone. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to do is simply log out of your X or Twitter account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and can clear temporary account access issues that may be causing the internal error. It's a very quick step, but in many cases it works immediately. So to recap, the main fixes are clearing cookies and cache, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and logging out, then logging back in. Try them in that order, and one of them should usually get X working again. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.